thinking about this all day. Got that tape off for two saved in our names. Drove 15 over to get to your place. You know I've been thinking about this all day. Open the door.
It's going down.
What do we
I think some people are liking down.
What can I do when I walk in the room and you look like that?
So that's
It started up there, and then went down and up and down and up and down and way up and kind of down and up.
it keeps it all the way up and then down.
That's what we need right now is we need this. We need this to go right there. If it goes right there, we're gonna sell it, and then we're gonna party.
Closing the door.
Up. Big jump. Big jump. Big rally. Big rally. Big rally. Hold on. Sell. We're about to sell. Where are my notes? All right, the bell is rung. Day trading is over for the day. Can you make real money speculating on the market? Yes, 100%. Is it likely that somebody with zero experience is going to leave with more money than they started with? Absolutely not. Look, it's fun. I had a great time. Will I do it again? Probably. Most of the stocks that I was buying shares of today were garbage stocks. They're companies that you've never heard of before. Very little reputation, if any at all. They were anywhere from 10 to 20 cents a share because with only $1,000, I was trying to load up and maximize my return. I was really looking at stocks where it might have started at 12 cents and I was selling at, 12.7 cents, but the return on 7,500 shares, whatever it was I had at the time, was far more significant than buying a Nike or buying a Snapchat. Some of those stocks may go up and down, a dollar or two at a time. Because you're limited on the amount of shares you can buy, your return is fairly limited. If you're just looking to throw caution to the wind, me personally, I'd rather do it at a blackjack table because at least then I have the opportunity of doubling my money. If you're a first-time investor, I strongly suggest using Robinhood over E-Trade any day of the week, point blank period. When you open up a Robinhood new account, they gift you with a free share of a stock. See, what happens is when you buy a Nike or a Snapchat or Coca-Cola or any other major brand, is the cost of entry is much higher. The price per share is far more significant on a well-known brand. So if you have limited buying power or you're working on a limited budget, you've immediately minimized the possibility of return. When you open up a free account to day trade, they limit the amount of day trades that you can make per session per week. The reason that they do that is they're actually trying to protect you, but they usually limit you to about 3 to 4 day trades, meaning in the course of a 24-hour period or within the same trading day, you can only buy and sell a stock a certain amount of times. On Robinhood, I know you have the ability to go into your account settings and actually remove that protection so that way you can continue to day trade. Now, I do know at some point they have the ability, and sometimes they do, go back and restrict you or freeze your account. The one way that you can get around that is by having an investment account with them that has a minimum of $25,000 in it at all time, though depending upon what your budget is, that may not be an option. I'd be glad to go into far more detail in regards to my opinions of Robinhood, E-Trade, and maybe some other trading platforms, but I'll save that for another video. With that said, now let's go take my family for a bike ride.
Out here with the squad, everybody trying to go, yeah, the party jumping off, and we putting on a show, trying to catch a vibe, we do this every time, like, na 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 na, feeling like I'm on a